In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Whiteboard files to your Google Drive account. Again, you want to make sure you're logged into the panel in every way, the Cloud Drive app, into Chromium, and also logged into the Whiteboard. So here I have this annotation document that I have used in my classroom, and I would like to save this, so I'm going to click on this folder at the bottom, and the export button is the one with the arrow. So here, I can give this a file name. Actually, first, let's click this Google Drive icon. It's gray, so now it is colored, and you can see the various folders I have here. So I've got my shared drives here, but then I also have shared with me folders and just my drive, and these are all the folders I've created. So I'm going to give this a name once it loads. And give this actually, let me change this first. I'm going to change it to a PDF. I haven't had much luck with the PNG option, but now that I've changed it to PDF, I can click in here and give it a name. I'm going to call this Video Test, and then hit the check mark. And then I'm going to hit this check mark here to export it into my Google Drive account. And now that I have done that, I can go to my computer and pull that up, or you can go to Chromium here on your panel, and you can pull that file up from your Google Drive from there. Thank you so much for watching.